Welcome to 24 Putter Drive in Wallingford, Connecticut. Today we're going to look at a condo that's been updated. That's about 1,100 square feet. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bath on the golf course. So we come into the living room area. And we have all new laminate flooring throughout. No carpet here. So we have laminate flooring and then we have tile in the kitchen area. The kitchen area is a nice open floor plan working kitchen with stainless steel appliances. It has a refrigerator, dishwasher, electric stove, microwave, and garbage disposal, and a good size sink as well. Kind of shoot back out and get a feeling for what's going on. And then at the end of the living room is a solarium. It's a 3-season room where you could sit outside and look out at the golf course. Pardon, I'm going through windows that haven't been cleaned yet. Nice view of the golf course and trees. And you got a nice breeze through here. So this unit is a condo unit. So anyone who does stay here will be subject to the rules of the condo association, which we will provide as part of the lease agreement. Here is the closets at the end of the living room and just inside the door when you come in. So nice mudroom area for shoes, coats, and the like. And then we'll head down the hallway. And you'll notice at the end of the hallway is a 27-inch stackable washer and dryer. Convenient to have that in a rental unit. And then the first bedroom is on the left side. Nice slider window overlooking the golf course as well. And then a decent sized closet. Coming out of this bedroom, there's a bathroom across the hall. The tub and shower. There's our washer dryer, and we'll just kind of look behind just so you get a sense as to what happens behind. There's that bedroom we just came out of. There's the living room down that way. And we'll come across the hall here, and that is the larger bedroom. So this is the second bedroom, or the main bedroom. And the sizes for these rooms are in the advertisement. You see it's a good sized room. The full bath is across the hall, but down here, there's a private bath just for this bedroom. So it's 2-bedroom, 2 baths. This unit also has central air conditioning. And there are 3 closets in this bedroom. So as you come down this hallway to the bath, there's a closet, then there's a nice double closet right here. Then you've got a shower, a potty, and a good size vanity. The entire unit has been freshly painted. The floors are new. The appliances are in great shape, and this place is ready to go. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at Bassett Property Management, and we will be happy to answer them. Thank you for viewing 24 Putter Drive in Wallingford, Connecticut today.